Hi friends, this is Sushil Bokdia, partner Bokdia Grofin Business Services. We specialize in business loans. Today, for every fit body, you need to work out and you need to stay fit by doing exercise, regular exercise. And do you know what is required for a fit business? Is it sales? Is it more revenues? Is it more profits? Or is there something else? Think. Yes, that is something else. For a fit business, you need to flow the cash flow, maintain the cash flow. The cash flows are more important than anything else. It will show you how fit a business is. It is not the bottom line and not the top line, but it is only the cash flows. You want to know how? I will tell you. If you make n number of revenues or n number of profits, but the only important thing is how much of those profits are coming back to you, back to your company. And how do you track that? You track that through cash flows. The cash flows are a lifeline of any business, and if you want to make sure that a business grows on its own terms and without any outside support, the cash flows should be stronger, and then they should have multiple cash flows. Now let me tell you, give you an example. Say if you make a revenue of 1 crore and a profit of 10% with 10 lakhs. Now if your receivable days are higher, you would actually make the sale and make 10% of the profit of just 10 lakhs. But if your receivable days are like from 60 days to 90 days, you would take 90 days for the money to come back to you. So that is a cash flow. I mean, the balance sheet would be showing, the profit and loss statement will be showing 10 lakhs of profit, but your cash is not yet come in. It would take more than 60 to 90 days, whatever the terms are, for the cash to flow, and only then you can be redeployed for an other project or other for the next assignment. So it is more important to follow the cash flow. Yes, so let us all, as a small business owners, it is more important that we focus on sales, we focus on profit, but it's also important that we focus on cash flow. So in this journey, I will be starting a series on educating our fellow entrepreneurs to how to track the cash flows through a simple Excel sheets. So it will be very simple. You can do this assignment monthly once, so that you know where you stand exactly in terms of cash flow. And let me tell you one bigger revelation over here. Be your future investor, be your banker, or be your financier. Everyone are going to look at not your sales, not your projections, but your cash flow, because that is where they will be getting the money back. If you have a cash flow that doesn't suit that structure of financing or investing, then it's going to be very difficult to convince them. Your cash flows are supposed to be very strong. Now there are multiple types of cash flow. One is from the cash flow from the operations, cash flow from investments, cash flow from financing. So we will be analyzing these in deep going forward. So first, initially we will be keeping it very simple, and we will be focusing only on the cash flow from operations. And this exercise, if you do it monthly once, you get to know at the end of the month where do you exactly stand when it comes to cash. And if you have plans to expand your business, or purchase a new property, or purchase some new raw materials, you can analyze exactly if your cash flow allows you to do that. Sounds interesting? Yes, it is very interesting, because we as a business owners should actually have a hold over our cash flows. So for the next series, we will start analyzing cash flow from operations. For now, goodbye. Like my channel. This is for first time I'm posting a video for the channel. Subscribe and please share. Thank you so much. It's Sushil here.